Hello photographers. In a previous video I unboxed the X2D2 camera body, Hasselblad XCD, and in this I will be unboxing the lens. This came from a friend of mine. I'm a Nikon shooter, not a Hasselblad shooter, but always wanted a Hasselblad, so he's letting me unbox this for him. So this is the XCD 35-100 f2.8-4. Very nondescript box. It doesn't actually say that anywhere until the back of the box, way down here at the bottom. So and this is probably going to be as difficult to open as the camera body box was. I have no patience for this. There we go. Okay, there we are. All right, before I get to the lens, let's get to the goodie box. Goodie box has the lens case, soft case, or bag, depends on what you like to call it. This is the lens bag, branded of course, and the documentation, which is certificate and quick start guide. So that is the goodie box. Okay, now the lens. Comes wrapped in two different wraps here. So this, I guess, is the focus and zoom. Okay, so maybe one of these is a customizable function. A little bit of tape to cover the front. And how does this pop off? I'm used to Nikon stuff, so there we go. Front element, this is an 86mm filter. And another cover on the back lens cap. And then we've got the lens hood, which has its own wrap. And that, again, I'm used to Nikon, so yep, just slides on there, clicks into place. .35 to 100. Okay. And then the ultimate moment. Let's take the body and the flash and put them together. Oh, right, there's a release button right there. Again, I'm used to Nikon. I assume it's here. Or does it go the other way? It goes the other way. It's opposite of Nikon. And there it is. Hasselblad X2D2 with the XCD 35-100 f2.4. Hope you enjoyed that. Have a great day.